All right, it is a chilly day in January 2021, and we have little kids, so we decided to go on a hike. And while we were looking for where to go, we thought, well, let's go and visit the Leatherman Cave. Now you might be wondering, what is the Leatherman's Cave? Who is the Leatherman? That is the name of the Leatherman's Cave. Well, why don't we go back inside and I'll tell you. And then you can join me back here on the hike. The Leatherman was a tramp or vagabond famous for his handmade leather suit of clothes, who traveled a circuit between the Connecticut River and the Hudson River, roughly from about 1857 to 1889. We don't know much about him, but he was likely either French or French-Canadian. He walked a 365-mile route year after year through certain towns in western Connecticut and eastern New York, returning to each town roughly every month. And though he visited the towns, he never stayed in them, preferring to stay in caves nearby. Supposedly, the one we're going to was one of them.
Which way do we go?
We go that way. So it looks like we have to cross the road. Okay, off we go.
Look, I died!
So this is probably a moderate hike. We haven't had to climb anything, but it's definitely going up, and it's not a flat path. Yep, we go up that way now. Yeah.
This is like slimy.
Yeah. Well, that was like climbing. Coming up to a view. This is not a view? Okay. Look at the trail. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, but
It's really tiny.
it's blocking us.
Hello. Whoa. All right, so I take that back. This is probably moderate to difficult.
And then there's another edge of the cliff.
Yep. Yeah, be careful of the ice. Yeah, it's kind of a lookout. It definitely would be if they cut the trees. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now we go back down.
Oh, look at way over there.
I think we might be going over there. Going over somewhere.
You can see the mud from the trees.
Tell me about the view. What do you think?
It was a scary view.
Why?
Because there was a giant fish.
Oh, nice. Oh, we gotta get going. Call of the Wild Zoe. I think we go that way. My daughter is leading again. Whoa, careful, careful. Jeepers, though.
That was so easy. I saw you did that so nice.
I just made sure I just stepped there when
You were a good rock climber.
All right. Wouldn't want to fall down that. What's this, B? Big flat rock. Look at here. The water came down and it took all the topsoil off the rock. See? It's all the topsoil there.
that part?
Yeah, so water came coming down and it took it all off down there. We're going back up another hill now. This one has quite a bit of erosion, so there's a lot of stones and boulders. Hey, careful. Whoa. That way. That's pretty, isn't it? All right, so up there is behind me. What you just saw is Crane's Lookout. And now we're going to go see if we can find the Leatherman Cave, which I believe is down underneath here. So we're looking to take a quick left and follow a trail there. Here we are. We'll go on in. You go in? Well, it's just a system of caves where the guy used to live, I believe.
That is wild, guys.
I want to go in and get feel like you're not.
So this is Leatherman's Cave. This is where the Leatherman used to hang out. I don't know. And I can tell you, being here on a cold day with a lot of wind, it's definitely not as cold and it is not as windy, especially as you go further back in the cave. Go on out that side. There's another cave, I think. Well, not another cave, it's just another area. So not only is this a place that has a bunch of kind of history and folklore and, you know, the story of the Leatherman. But it's also got some pretty cool rocks and stuff to climb around it. Yeah. This is cool. How did we never come here before? Guys, what do you think? Is this worth coming? Okay. Why don't we head on out?
Make sure you like and subscribe. Hello.